Have an XBIN file from an old Nokia phone, backup, and want to recover contacts or messages? This is part of Nokia's PC Suite backup system from the pre-smartphone era. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through extracting data from these legacy phone backup files. Quick sidebar, for future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering XBIN files with corrupted internal metadata. An XBIN file is a backup format created by older Nokia mobile phones using the Nokia PC Suite. Users encounter this file when trying to restore contacts, messages, or other personal data from a legacy Nokia device to a new phone or computer. The primary challenge is extracting readable information from this container. The XBIN format is a proprietary binary container, essentially a compressed archive holding various data types, like contacts, VCF, messages, and calendar entries. Nokia designed it this way for efficient all-in-one backup and restore operations directly through their PC Suite software, prioritizing data integrity over open compatibility. This proprietary format is best opened by NBU Explorer from SourceForge for the XBIN type. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows cannot explore backup archives, so extraction depends on compatible backup utilities. We're checking for file signature recognition. Right-click your XBIN file and click Open With. If NBU Explorer is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We need to find the correct application hook. When an XBIN file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. We didn't have luck with the basic application. Let's quickly pivot and execute these 3 targeted actions to find the core of the problem. First, restoring with Nokia Suite. Install Nokia Suite or Nokia PC Suite, the legacy software for managing Nokia devices. Connect a compatible Nokia phone via USB and use the backup restore feature to import the NBU archive containing the XBIN files. The software handles XBIN parsing internally during the restore process. Next, extracting with NBU Explorer. Use third-party tools like NBU Explorer or Nokia Backup Extractor to open NBU files and extract individual XBIN components. These applications parse the proprietary format and export contacts messages and calendar data to standard formats like VCF, CSV, or ICS for use in modern applications. Finally, converting to modern formats. After extracting data with NBU Explorer, import the resulting VCF contact files or ICS calendar files into Google Contacts, iCloud, or Microsoft Outlook. Messages can typically be exported as text or CSV files for archival purposes, since direct migration to modern messaging platforms is not generally supported. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.